Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am your host, Ella. How are you feeling today? I hope you are feeling happy. I hope you are feeling calm. This is your time. Put away your phone, put away your stress. For the next few minutes, we are going to learn English together, but we will not rush. We will go slowly, very slowly. Before we start, let's breathe together. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Do you feel better? Good. Now let us begin our journey. Today we will talk about a day of peace. We will walk through a simple, beautiful day together. Part 1. The morning. Imagine it is morning. The sky is blue. The sun is coming through your window. It is a new day. The first sentence is simple. Listen to me. I wake up with a smile. Now, listen to the slow version. I wake up with a smile. Wake up means you open your eyes, you stop sleeping, and a smile is when your mouth shows you are happy. Now it is your turn. Repeat after me. I wake up with a smile. Very good. You get out of bed, you go to the kitchen. It is quiet. You want to drink something warm, maybe coffee, maybe tea. Listen to this sentence. I drink my hot coffee. Listen slowly. I drink my hot coffee. Can you feel the warm cup in your hands? Can you smell the coffee? It smells very good. Try to say it with me. I drink my hot coffee. Excellent. After coffee, you look outside. The world is beautiful. You feel ready for the day. You are not scared. You are strong. Say this with me. Today is a good day. Again, slowly. Today is a good day. Believe it when you say it. Repeat one more time. Today is a good day. Part 2. Going out and working. Now you are ready to go. Maybe you go to work, maybe you go to school, or maybe you walk to the park. You open the door, you feel the air. The sentence is, the air is fresh and cool. Listen carefully to the sounds. The air is fresh and cool. Fresh means clean. It feels good in your nose. Your turn. Speak softly. The air is fresh and cool. You are walking. You see people, you see trees, you see cars, but you are not in a hurry. You walk slowly. Listen. I walk slowly and calmly. Very slow. I walk slowly and calmly. Calmly means with no stress. You are peaceful. Repeat after me. I walk slowly and calmly. Now you arrive at your place. Maybe it is your office. You have work to do. Sometimes work is hard. Sometimes work is busy, but you can do it. Listen to this powerful sentence. I do my best today. Listen again. I do my best today. My best means you work hard, you do a good job. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to do your best. Say it with confidence. I do my best today. Good job. I am proud of you. Part 3. The afternoon break. It is the middle of the day. The sun is high in the sky. It is time to rest. It is time to eat. You sit down. You take a break. The sentence is, I take a break to relax. Listen, I take a break to relax. To relax is very important. Your brain needs a rest. Your body needs a rest. Repeat after me. I take a break to relax. You eat your lunch. The food is good. You are thankful for the food. Listen, I enjoy my delicious lunch. Slowly, I enjoy my delicious lunch. Delicious means the food tastes very, very good, yummy. Try to say delicious. Delicious. Now the full sentence. I enjoy my delicious lunch. Wonderful. Part 4. The evening. The day is almost finished. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and purple. You are going home. You feel tired, but it is a good tired. You are happy to go home. Listen, I am happy to be home. Slowly, I am happy to be home. Home is your safe place. Home is where you sleep. Repeat after me. I am happy to be home. You sit on your sofa, you talk to your family, or maybe you read a book. You are safe. Listen, my home is quiet and safe. Very gently, my home is quiet and safe. Your turn. Whisper it. My home is quiet and safe. Part 5. Review and sleep. Now it is nighttime. The moon is in the sky. The stars are shining. It is dark. Before we sleep, let's remember our sentences from today. I will say them one more time. You do not need to speak. Just listen. Let the English enter your mind. I wake up with a smile. I drink my hot coffee. Today is a good day. The air is fresh and cool. I walk slowly and calmly. I do my best today. I take a break to relax. I enjoy my delicious lunch. I am happy to be home. My home is quiet and safe. Do you remember them? They are simple, but they are strong. Now you are in your bed. Your eyes are heavy. You are ready to dream. The last sentence for today is, I am thankful for this day. Listen, I am thankful for this day. Thankful means you say thank you to life. You are happy to be alive. Let's say it together one last time. I am thankful for this day. And finally, good night and sweet dreams. Good night and sweet dreams. Thank you for joining me today. You did a great job. Listening to English is the best way to learn. Do not worry about mistakes. Just keep listening, just keep speaking. If you liked this calm practice, please come back tomorrow. We will learn more together. I am Ella. Sleep well, my friends. Goodbye.